Come check it out. From a rib standpoint, and that stands for rigid inflatable boat, which means you've got a hard hull underneath, rigid hull, and pontoons on either side. And you've got a lot of stability, really good performance because it's lightweight, efficient, and you've got the hull in the middle, the deep V hull that cuts through the waves with the air that keeps it on top. So, what makes these boats really special? Well, first of all, they're 50 feet, which is an enormous size for a rib. And this whole layout can be reconfigured to how you want. It could be a really big sun pad. You can have an additional cabin underneath.